Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So if you are also looking to supercharge your CRM system and to streamline the process of lead management for your business, then you are in the right place. Yes, because today I'm going to show you some amazing automations which you can create very easily with the help of Pabbly Connect to create an automated CRM system for your business. So these automations are related to adding Facebook or LinkedIn leads to your CRMs automatically, sending automated follow-up emails to all your leads which are there in your CRMs, and also for sending automated WhatsApp messages and SMS. And do you know the best part is that we are going to create all these automations without the requirement of any coding and programming skills with the help of Pabbly Connect. So if you also want to learn these amazing automations, for that you have to come towards my screen. So welcome to my screen. As I told you, I have created all these automations which I'm going to show you today with the help of Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software which helps us to set up connections between different applications and to automate all our repetitive tasks without the requirement of any coding and programming skills. So I'm going to show you the top 5 automations to build an amazing CRM system with the help of Pabbly Connect. For that, this is the homepage of Pabbly Connect where we can reach by tapping the URL pabbly.com/connect in our browser. After coming over here, you can find two options: sign in and sign up for free. So in case if you are an existing user like me, you can directly click on sign in. But if you are a new user, you have to click on the sign up for free button to create your free new account. Also, when you will create your account, you will get 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software and to test multiple automations for your requirements. Okay, so because I'm already an existing user, therefore here I'm going to click on sign in currently. This is all apps section where we can find all the products which are offered by Pabbly. We have to create automations by using Pabbly Connect. So let's click on access now. And it has taken us towards the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. So on this dashboard, we can find all our workflows which we have created, and we can also create different folders over here to save our workflows accordingly. Now I have created a separate workflow for all the top 5 automations for CRM. I'm going to open that folder. And these are all the workflows I have. So I'm going to show you each of them one by one. So let's start with the first workflow. So this is an amazing automation, and that is add Facebook leads to CRM automatically. So whatever CRM you are using, such as Salesforce or HubSpot, you can create this automation in the similar way. Okay, I have taken Salesforce over here. Now let's suppose you own a real estate agency and you are using Facebook ads to attract potential clients looking to buy or sell properties. Okay, so now you want that every time someone fills out the form you have created, the lead gen form in Facebook, then automatically the information of that lead will be added to your CRM. This way, your sales team can immediately see your new leads, assign them to different agents, and start the follow-up process without any delay. So here what I've done, I've simply connected my Facebook lead ads with Salesforce in such a way that whenever I'm going to receive a new lead by form submission, lead gen form submission, then immediately that lead with all the details will be added in my Salesforce CRM. If you want, you can also add HubSpot over here to add your Facebook leads to HubSpot in the same manner. So this is an amazing automation which you can create. Okay, now we are going to look towards the next automation. This is another amazing automation, that is send WhatsApp message to Zoho CRM leads. Now, suppose you manage a travel agency and whenever a lead expresses interest in a holiday package which you are providing by filling out a form on your website. So you have attached a form, let's say, on your website. So the details of that lead will be immediately added to Zoho CRM. And as soon as this will happen, immediately a WhatsApp message will be sent to that lead, thanking them for showing the interest and providing more details, more travel itineraries or more details about your package which you're providing, in which the lead has shown the interest. In this way, you will be able to get connected with your leads and provide them a personal touch, and this immediate response to them can make them feel valued and more likely to book with your agency. You can send a personalized WhatsApp message, and you know WhatsApp is a great way to connect with leads, customer, clients, and everyone. Okay, now here I have used Interact for sending template messages to all my leads of Zoho CRM, but definitely you can take any other API also. Let's suppose you can send the WhatsApp message with WhatsApp Cloud API, AI Sensi, Vati, or etc. And I'm going to go back towards the third automation now. The third automation is also an amazing automation, that is this time send WhatsApp message to HubSpot contacts. So earlier I've shown you that how you can send a WhatsApp message to your Zoho CRM leads. But if you are using HubSpot as your CRM, this automation is amazing for you. Let's suppose here you imagine that you own an online boutique. When a customer signs up for your newsletter through a form which you have created and attached on your website, then their contact information with all of the details will be added to HubSpot CRM in your CRM application. And as soon as this will happen, an automated WhatsApp message or SMS will be sent to your customers, welcoming them and offering them a discount offer code and providing a link to your latest collection as well. You can share the catalog as well. Okay, this helps in engaging new subscribers right away and encourages them to make a purchase. So this is an automation which I have created for sending automated WhatsApp messages to my HubSpot contacts. But in this way, you can also add Twilio or any other SMS application over here to send automated SMS to your contacts. Okay, so what you can do here, you can send personalized messages SMS in the form of SMS or WhatsApp messages to all your new leads who are getting registered and are added in your CRM, so that a customized message will be sent to all these leads. They will feel valued, they will feel touched, and they will be able to get connected with you. And you can also in this way share your catalogs, your services, etc., that what kind of offers you provide. Now we'll move forward towards the next automation. This is very important automation to convert the leads into payable customers. Here is send follow-up emails to your new leads. So when leads will be added to your CRM application, whether it is HubSpot CRM, Zoho CRM or Salesforce, then automated follow-up emails will be sent to these leads in the personalized format. So here, consider you run a software company and receives new leads through your website forms, your website contact form. Okay. Now these leads, when are captured in your CRM such as HubSpot, Salesforce or Zoho, with automated follow-up emails, each new lead receives a personalized email immediately. You can thank them for response and also inform them about your services, and this timely follow-up can significantly increase your chance of converting leads into clients. Okay, so here whenever a lead will be added to your CRM, then immediately a follow-up email will be sent. You can send welcome emails, you can provide the information to these leads regarding the services which you are providing or the products or the sale or offer details which you want to provide them. Okay, in this way you can follow up to your leads immediately. As soon as they are added to your CRM, you will get more chances to make them into customers. Now we have the next and the fifth automation, that is add LinkedIn leads to Salesforce CRM. As you know, LinkedIn is a professional and official platform and it is widely used for generating leads as well for marketing. Okay, so you can add your LinkedIn leads to your CRM as well. Here I have shown the example of Salesforce, but definitely as I told you, you can similarly add the HubSpot CRM or Zoho CRM as well in the action step. Now here what I have done, I have simply set up a connection between my LinkedIn lead gen form and Salesforce in such a way that whenever a lead will be generated by submitting the lead gen form which I have created, then immediately the record will be created of that lead in my Salesforce CRM account with all the details. So let's suppose you work in B2B sales for a tech company and you are using LinkedIn lead gen forms to capture potential clients interested in your software solutions which you're providing. Now every time someone fills out your form in LinkedIn, then the details of this lead will be automatically added to your Salesforce account. Then your team members can quickly access and follow up these leads, ensuring a smooth and efficient lead nurturing process. So this is very simple automation. Just we have used 2 steps and your work is done. Now these were some automations which you can create very easily without the requirement of any coding and programming skills to create an automated CRM system. As you can see here, you have added the leads in your CRM, you have sent follow-up emails, WhatsApp messages or SMS to your leads automatically and whatnot. So these were just some of the automations which I have shown you in this video, but we have a lot of videos related to CRM, lead management and etc. on our YouTube channel. If you want, you can just go to our channel and check out all these videos according to your requirements. We have created videos for each and every segment of business, targeting every industries and business requirements. And also all these automations which I've shown you in the video have a separate tutorial video for each of them on our channel. You can go and watch out any of the video which you require to learn step-by-step integration with the help of tutorial. So I hope these automations were helpful for you and this video is helpful for you. If you like the video, do not forget to share it with your friends, and also please like the video and subscribe to our channel for more such amazing automations. I hope this was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate multiple such applications without any coding or programming skills with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can reach out to us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any query, you can reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can reach out to the website given over here. Now, if you find this video helpful, do not forget to share it with your friends. And also please like our video and subscribe our channel for more such amazing automations.